Now it's on. Yep. Yes, I'm sure. Here goes Bill. He's reaching down for cutting the last cuts. And this tree is up there. Now Bill is whacking the wedge. And the saw's running. Okay. Here it comes. Oh, it stopped for a minute. Uh-oh. Keep recording. It's Bill standing upright at the bottom of the tree. Hope you can see him. And the tree is having a little rest for a minute. Resting in the old poplar branches. Bill's cutting some more at the bottom. Oh. Bill's wearing his his snowshoes. Is this red button supposed to be flashing? Is it supposed to be flashing in there? Yeah, okay, it is. Yep, still flashing. Two trees at once now. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Destructo Bill. Wow, I guess we're gonna get poplar for firewood also. Uh-oh. So now Bill's cutting the poplar because that tree is lodged in the branches. And now Bill is moving around on his snowshoes. Come on, Algie! We're running back further. Come on, Algie! Algie, come on! Come on, Algie, hurry! Good girl! Holy! Wow! Now two, and Bill is still standing up down in the bushes. Wow! That's taking care of that. That was very exciting.